In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and hit Clipboard at the top. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Finally, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. Then, paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, by selecting Clipboard and clicking on it here, or by holding it and selecting Paste. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To manage multiple things, use this pen at the top right corner, select them and choose pin at the top right corner. Then to unpin them, you need to hold them individually. Select Edit if you want to change anything within your clip. Hit Save. And now to delete anything from Clipboard, just swipe it to the right or to the left. You can also hold it and use Delete option, or use the same pen, select your text, one clip or multiple, and use pin icon. Finally, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!